Hi everyone, welcome to Lace Academy's YouTube videos. Let us see what are the quant questions given in TCS NQT that is held today in the slot 3, which is still going on 5 to 8 o'clock. So by 6 o'clock the quant section was over, so I'm posting 20 questions from that section and how to answer those questions in this video. Let us see the questions. Two trains running in opposite directions cross a pole in 25 seconds and 15 seconds, and they cross each other in 18 seconds, the ratio of their lengths. Now, when the first train, if let us say its speed is S1 and the second train speed is S2, because the first one is crossing the pole in 25 seconds, its length will be 25 S1 and second train's length will be 15 S1. And they cross their own lengths in 25 and 15 and they cross each other in 18 in opposite directions. So to find out, if I take the allegations on timings, I will be getting the allegation here as 7 and 3. So their speeds will be in the ratio of 3:7. So when I do allegation on time, I will be getting the ratio of speeds. So their speeds are in the ratio 3:7. So their lengths are actually 25 S1 and 15 S2. So if I take 25 into 3, because S1, S2 are in the ratio of 3:7, and 15 into 7 is the ratio of their lengths. This is the length of the first train, length of the second train. So 75 is to 105, or I can say 5:7. 5:7, straightforwardly. Right. Now let us see the next question. What sum of money amounts to this amount in 3 years if the interest is different in first year? So some amount with 105%, 105% under 21 by 20 I'm writing, and 10% extra in the next year means 11 by 10. 20% extra is 120 by 100, 120 by 100 is 6 by 5. This should be equal to 6930. So let us cancel with 11, 11 sixes, that is 105 5. So amount is equal to this actually is equal to 1000. So this 1000 goes that side and becomes 5000. Straightforward answer using compounding principle because he's asking us compound interest. Let's see the next question. A can do 12.5%, 1 by 8 of the work in 2 days. That means he can do the work totally in 16 days. Raghu also can do the total work in 16 days. So both are 16 days, 16 days. In what time both of them together can do the work? 8 days. 16 days, 16 days, two members working together, they can do the work in 8 days. Straightforward question, don't waste even any time here. Difference between mean and median of the data, let's find out the mean. 14, 22, 37, 49, 58, 60, 60 plus 40, 100, 111. For 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. So mean is 11.1. Median actually should be written by taking ascending order or descending order. 2, 5, 8, 9, 9, 11, 12, 15, 19, 21, 10 values. So these are the middle values. So the median is 10. What's the difference between them? 11.1 and 10, difference is 1.1. Let's see the next question. 4 power p minus 2q is 1024. So actually 4 power 5 is 1024. So p minus 2q is equal to 5. 2 power 2 into p plus q is equal to 16 is 2 power 4. 4 power 5 is 2 power 10. So this is total 2 power 14. So 2p plus 2q, which is a power of 2 given here, is equal to 14. When I add them, I'm getting 3p is equal to 19. So p equal to 19 by 3 is asking q value. Substitute here in this equation. So 2q is equal to p minus 5. P is 19 by 3. 19 by 3 minus 5 is actually 4 by 3. If 2q is equal to 4 by 3, q is equal to 2 by 3. So that's what he's asking us to find. Let's see the next question. What is the sum when divided in the ratio 2358 among ABCD provides this much amount less to D than when it provides him when it is divided into 1 by 2, 1 by 3. First, let us see this ratio 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 5, 1 by 8. Let's take the best ratio to multiply, best number to multiply this with 120. So the ratio becomes 6. I am making into 120, 40, 24, 15. So here D actually has a fraction 8 out of total 18 parts. 2, 3, 5, 8. Here D has total 15 out of 100, 139 parts. So the amount when divided 15 by 139 parts, and when it is divided 8 by 18 parts, the difference between them is 8420. That's what he's saying. 15 into 18, 15, 15, 270 minus 139 eighths. That 148 is 1120. 108 by 139 into 18 is equal to 8420. This is difference actually. So this is 842. Perfectly cancelled. So amount is equal to 139 into 18 is 0. So basically 0 is guaranteed last digit. The next last digit is 9872. So 2 should be there. This is the only option which is having like that. So answer should be 25020. Let's see the next question. Rekha covers a distance by car had she moved 5 km per hour faster, 30 minutes lesser time, 2 km per hour slower, 40 minutes more time. So if D is the distance, normal speed is yes. And if she travels the same with 5 kilometers extra speed, the difference between them is 30 minutes, that means half an hour. And if she travels with 2 kilometers lesser speed than the original speed, then it is 40 minutes more. 40 minutes more means 2 by 3 is the difference. 2 by 3 hour, 40 minutes. Now, when this type of equations are there and if two variables are there, I always go through taking the best possible way, which is actually nothing but option verification. So if I take 20 and see if there are two values that can divide 20, which are like s and s plus 5, and the difference is a half, I can say 20 by 8 is 2.5, but 20 by 10 is 2. The difference is only 2 here. So we cannot find out for 20 two values which are differing by 5, and when they divide 20, half can be there. So if I take 10, let's say 5 and 5 plus 5, because 5 is yes value. If 10 is a distance, here time is taken 2, here time is taken only 1 hour. It cannot be possible like that. So 10 also doesn't have like such values. 5 if I take, so if s equal to 5 and s plus 5 is 10, with 5 speed, it takes 1 hour. With 10 speed, it takes half an hour. Difference is half. Perfect. So if yes, I am taking d equal to 5, s is 5 is actually properly matching. So let's verify here. 5 by 3 minus 5 by 5. Exactly matching. So d equal to 5 is the only option which has factors in such a way which are differing by 5, and difference between the divisions is half. Same way, difference between them is 2 and the difference is 2 by 3. So this actually is converted into number system question by me, so the verification will be easy. I don't want to go for solving these two equations which actually unnecessarily take us to quadratic equations. Let's see the next question. Breadth of a cubical box is equal to half of length and height is equal to half of breadth. Its volume LBH equal to 1000. Now he wants to find breadth. So H can be written as B by 2 into B, and L is nothing but 2B equal to 1000. So 2 get cancelled. B cube is equal to 1000. So B equal to 10 centimeter because 1000 is 10 cube. That question. Let's see the next one. Mode of a data is 12. Mean of a data is 9. What is the median of the data? So there is a relation between mean, median, mode. You might be knowing it. 2 mean is equal to 3 median minus mode. So we know that mean equal to 9, 2 9 is 18, 3 times of median minus mode is 12. So minus goes that side, 3 median is equal to 30, median is equal to 10. Or some people directly say 3 median is equal to, or I can say mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. This is also a way of writing the same thing, whatever it is. This is only an empirical formula. This is not 100% guaranteed formula. This is an empirical relation. Let's see the next one. He's asking the value of this 64 power 2 by 3, which is 4 square 16, 81 power 3 by 4, 3 cube 27, plus 8 power 5 by 3, 2 power 5 32 into 5 power 4, 625. So 27 into 16, 27 into 10 is 270, 27 into 6 is 162, 432 plus 32 into 625. 625 into 3, if you take, it is 1875. 18750 plus 1250. So 20,000. 20,000 plus 432 exactly becomes 20,432. Perfect. Right? So 20,000 432 is your answer. Let's see the next question. A bucket contains a mixture of AB in the ratio 11:7. 9 liters of mixture is replaced by B. So B is coming back. So directly we will find out what is the remaining ratio of A here 5 by 14. E is coming by taking the original fraction of A to remaining fraction. So this is the removal and replacement principle, because A is the thing that is getting removed and not getting replaced. So A actually is 5 by 14 in remaining solution, whereas the original was 11 by 18 into remaining fraction. You can see this now as remaining fraction is equal to, you can actually cancel here 9 and 7. So 45 by 77. If 45 by 77 is remaining fraction, then I can say removed fraction should be equal to 32 by 77. And this 32 by 77 removed fraction of the volume is given equal to 9 liters removed. So the total volume is equal to 9 into 77 by 32. And in this 9 into 77 by 32, B was 7 by 18. So B, what is the volume of B? Okay, now he is asking present volume. Presently it is 9 by 14. So 7 11s, 7 2s. So 981. What is the volume of B in liters? I think he is asking the original volume. No? Yeah, I think he was asking what is the volume of B in liters originally. Because the options are matching for that only. So originally the B was 7 by 18. So out of this 7 by 18 has to be taken. So you can see 9 ones, 9 twos. So 77 sevens, 490 plus 539 by 64. So this was the original volume of B in liters. This principle actually is called as removal and replacement. You can find about this in the video of compounding, which is present in our LACE Academy channel. Right? You can just go through for its complete concept. The question should be, what is the volume of B in liters originally? Right? Let us see the next question. Length of rectangle increased by 20%, breadth decreased by 20%, area. Straightforward compounding. Increase of 20%, 120, decrease of 20%, 80, 12 eights, 96. 96 means overall decrease of 4%. Straightforward question. He's asking whether we know 12 into 8 is 96 or not. Variance of the given data. Variance means first you have to find out the mean. 45, 64, 80, 80 plus 50, 130, 147 by 7, 21 is the mean. So where deviations are 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4. Let's find their squares. 1 plus 16, 17 plus 4, 21 plus 25, 46 plus 9, 55 plus 25, 80 plus 16, 96 by 7. 7 13s obviously is, so 13 point something should be the variance. Let's see the next question. Average weight of 18 students is 45 kg. When a new student is coming in, 64 kg of weight he is coming into the group. The new see 45 kg was there. Now 19 students are there with the new people. A new person has 19 kgs extra. So this 19 kgs extra will be shared for all the 19 members. Each person gets 1 kg extra. So 45 kg with 1 extra kg will be 46. Straightforward question. Whatever extra is present will be shared equally among all the people. If you want to know what this is, go through the entire concept of averages in my video of averages in the same Lace Academy channel. Let's see the next question. P by Q is given as 3 by 7 is to 2 by 21, which is 9 is to 2, because 7173. And Q is to R is given as 1 by 9 is to 2 by 3, which is 1 is to 6. And R is to S equal to 1 by 5 is to 2 by 15, which is 3 is to 2. Now he's asking PQRS. If you observe the options, PQ are not same anywhere. 9 is to 2 is different, 3 is to 2. So only if you verify P is to Q, that is more than enough. Sorry, options are very friendly. You need not do all these things actually. So if there are at least two options with 9 is to 2, 9 is to 2, and so on and so on, then you have to verify two options. There are no options like that. All options have P and Q separately, different. So I know P and Q are 9 is to 2. So 9 is to 2, P and Q should be definitely there. Whatever R and S are there. So this is the only option possible. This is a very straightforward question without any wastage of time. If all the options are like this, then you will be worrying about what should be like this. If this is how the options are given, then you need to verify. But now only 9 is to 2 is present in the first option. So no need of verifying anything. Shweta buys a mobile at 6,400 and spends 600. So total cost is 7,000. And she sells it 8,400, so 1,400 profit, which is 20% of 7,000. Straightforward question. Let's see the next. You just have to know 7 2 is 14. 1,400 is 20% of 7,000. In what time does the sum of money triples? Triples means 200% increase. On simple interest rate 10%. Every year 10% is increasing. 200% increase takes 20 years because 20 times 200. This is also a straightforward question. No wastage of time. Raman and Sahil can complete a work in 35 days. With the help of Arun, they finished in 28. So these two members, 1 by 35 is efficiency. With Arun, their efficiency is 1 by 28. What is Arun? Now, from the combined efficiency of 1 by 28, if I remove Raman and Sahil, I'll get my answer. This is 5 by 140, this is 4 by 140, taking 140 as LCM. So 1 by 140 is coming. So 1 by 140 means 140 days is needed for Arun. Nothing else. So combined efficiency of 3 minus combined efficiency of 2 will give Arun alone. Shopkeeper buys 60 pens for 50 rupees. How many pens he must sell for 50 to gain 20%? To gain 20%, he has to sell only 120 by 100 reverse fraction, because 120 by 100 should be the gain. Now to get gain, you have to sell less articles. So this is straight away, you can say 50. Sorry. Yeah, 60 articles into 100 by 120, sorry. Yeah, 50, perfect. That means by selling 50 articles at the money of 60 articles, you are getting 20% profit, right? Let's see the next question. Yeah, so these are the 20 questions that I have taken out from the examination that is still going on. So just go through the questions and the logics that I used. If any logic is not being understood, you can just approach our Lace Academy. And here the question has to be originally, it was not given like that in the exam, but it has to be like that. And the other questions are straightforward mostly. And this is the only place where I used my number systems knowledge to answer the question without going into quadratic equations. And this is a question where I used my calculations a bit faster so that I can get the answer a bit easily. And once we came here, no need of calculation, 9 into 8, 72. So 2 should be there in the just before place of 0. Only one option is there. So some days you need to use your options also so that verification will give you answers easily, right? Thank you. Hope that you crack your placements this season. And any support is needed, you are always welcome to approach Lace Academy. Thank you all the best.